And Thorpe's first pitch. Jordan takes it inside for ball one, and he kicks and fires. Acuna runs, the pitch a strike, and there is no order. 1-1. Fastball called a strike. It's with Chase Hampton. 2-2. Swing and a miss, strike three, and down goes Jordan on the first double-A strikeout for Drew Thorpe. It's also the first out of the first inning. Batting third in the order, left-handed batter. First pitch, and Gilbert swings and misses. Behind the fastball that time, it's 0-1. And Gilbert takes a called strike over the inside corner as Thorpe deals a 1-2. Acuna runs, the pitch popped up out of play down the left field. Acuna runs again, the 1-2 pitch, swung on and missed. 3 steals in the series opener. First pitch to Jackson now, and he takes it for a strike. Nothing in one.
Of 11.4 in his time in Hudson Valley.
And the 0-1 swung on and missed well behind that fastball. Now a 2-2. Swing and a miss, strike three, and Drew Thorpe strikes out the final 3 batters in his first double-A inning. With the right-handed still batting Perosa, and Thorpe, after a long stare in, kicks and fires the first pitch of the inning. It's first week of August. Deals a 1-0, and it's swung on and missed. Another slide. Now fires a 1-2. Swinging a roller to the left of home plate. 1-2. Breaking ball struck him out looking. How about 4 straight strikeouts for Drew Thorpe?
Competitor.
Now the first pitch to Ruiz. Swing and a miss. On the fastball, nothing in one. 0-1. Taken upstairs for Thorpe's 1-0. It's a 1-1 taken for a strike, and Thorpe. Now the 1-2. Swing and a miss, strike three. 5 straight strikeouts for Drew Thorpe. Trying to qualify for a win as we start the 5th inning. Jose Perosa leads off, and the first pitch to him is grounded foul to the left of home. St. George, Utah natives 0-1. It is swung on and missed. You can see next month. 0-2. Swing and a miss, strike three, and so Drew Thorpe has his 6th double-A strikeout, and he has sent out his 13th straight batter. But it didn't necessarily start out that way for Drew. First pitch on the way, and Ruiz takes it outside. Now the 1-0. Swing and a foul off the backstop. 1-1. And Ruiz takes a called strike over the inside. Preston Claiborne. 2-2. Swing and a miss, strike three. Down goes Ruiz.
Last year it was Trey Sweeney who did it to the Rome Braves.
First pitch, swing and a miss by Mateo. 0-1. And Gil pops it up, fouling out of play. Nothing in 2. Deals an 0-2. Breaking ball, called strike three. Drew Thorpe strikes out the side. He has sent down 15 straight batters and was a single. Now Jalen Palmer up. First pitch, and he takes a breaking ball for strike one. His 1-1. Swinging a high pop-up, foul ground behind the plate. Ramirez has the next pitch, swung on and missed for strike three. Drew Thorpe with his 9th strikeout of the night, 2nd out of the 6th inning.
And all 9 strikeouts have